Hey everyone, this is Bruce Stewart and I'm going to show you how to change your display settings when using multiple displays with a docking station. Right click, display settings, and as you see here I have 3 monitors set up, and you simply to change them I would move 1 to 3, and then that way they'd be 1, 2, 3, but I don't like mine that way. I keep mine in the middle here. I like my laptop in the middle and then the 2 monitors on the side. But whenever you make changes, you want to make sure you hit apply when you're done, and that'll be it. They don't change on their own though. In order to move them from place to place, you have to go in and physically move them like this in order to change where they sit. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you. Have a good one.